So one of the things I love about Banyan Turmeric Milk Mix is I've been making a similar tea like this for years, and now I can just whip it up so easy. For me, I like to have this blend of herbs as my morning boost of health without caffeine. I can feel how the herbs and everything in this formula are working to support my joints and my skin, and the combination brings out a healthy skin glow, and it's really healthy for the gut. It helps balance the gut flora and all of the delightful benefits that it brings your taste buds. A lot of turmeric mixes out there are very heating, and I'm a really sensitive, I have an extra sensitivity to excess heat, so I don't actually like most turmeric mixes out there. This is very wisely formulated, and it has a balance. Ashwagandha is known as a wonderful tonifying herb that's very calming and grounding to the nervous system, but for some people it can be too heating. So that herb itself has more of a heating property. So what's beautiful about this formula is it has the date sugar, which is ground up real dates, so it's not a nasty processed sugar that's just going to spike your blood sugar. It's a really nice, balanced, mineral-rich, nutrient-dense sugar, and it's slightly cooling, along with the peppermint, which is slightly cooling, cardamom, which is a very balancing heat for the gut. It's not too heating, and it has just this nice balance overall. So the ashwagandha heat and the heat of the ginger and a little bit of black pepper, which brings out the extra benefits of the turmeric, all of these heating properties are also balanced with these nourishing, grounding, cooling properties, which makes this particular mix overall really adaptable and supportive for all dosha types and all body types.